Xiaomi's MIUI 10 update is finally rolling out this month, coming to everything starting from the Redmi 3S and Redmi 5A to the Mi 6 and Mi Mix 2S. It's not the most significant update we have ever seen, but there are plenty of new MIUI 10 features. Well, one might question what makes the update worth downloading. Welcome back to QatNip, and here's a look at some of the best MIUI 10 features you should know about, and that certainly makes the ROM worth the download. So come on, let's learn together. First, we have portrait mode for single cameras. The portrait mode typically requires a dual camera setup in order to capture depth information and other details. But the past year has seen a trend towards software-based solutions with one camera, delivering solid results in the process. Xiaomi has previously used portrait mode on its dual camera phones, but one of the coolest MIUI 10 features is a software-based portrait mode for single camera devices. The company claims it has trained its portrait mode algorithm more than 100,000 photos, so it is really hoping for excellent quality snaps. Next, we have a redesigned Recents menu. The MIUI 9 marked Xiaomi's first major foray into UI navigation for 18:9 screens, as it adopted swipe gestures for its full-screen smartphones. The new update continues this trend as Xiaomi redesigns the Recents menu with tall screens in mind. The new Recents menu offers a vertically scrolling list of running apps, making full use of the expanded screen real estate. You also have the ability to swipe on apps to delete them or tap and hold on apps to yield more options. Next, we have the nature-inspired notifications. In a move reminiscent of Samsung's TouchWiz, Xiaomi has looked to nature to deliver notifications and other system sounds. The company says it's using water droplet sounds for its alerts, adding that consecutive notifications will result in different droplet sounds. It's meant to create a rhythm, which is pretty nifty. Next, we have the timer functionality. Speaking of nature, one of the other notable MIUI 10 features is the ability to run a timer that incorporates nature-themed sounds as it counts down. These themes range from a forest and drizzle to nighttime and fire. So if you need to unwind after a stressful day, this could help. Pretty relaxing, huh? Next, we have the redesigned volume or brightness sliders. It's not one of the biggest MIUI 10 features, but the new volume or brightness sliders certainly stand out from other phones. Tapping the volume buttons will now launch the volume adjustment overlay on the right side of the screen, close to the buttons. This differs from many other skins, which deliver a volume overlay in the center or top of the screen in a horizontal manner. Both slides will also let you adjust brightness or volume by sliding your finger anywhere on the panel instead of a specific point. It's a small but welcome adjustment, and especially the vertical layout actually resembles Android P a lot, so it's looking forward. Next, we have increased responsiveness and optimizations. As Android has evolved, Google has gone to lengths to improve the speed and fluidity of the platform. Xiaomi's MIUI has also made this a priority in recent releases, and the latest version is no different. The company says it's implemented two new MIUI 10 features to speed things up in the form of a lock-free critical path and codependent prioritizing. Whatever these features actually do under the hood, Xiaomi says the result will be a 10% improvement in processing speeds and UI responsiveness. And now we have some India-specific additions in MIUI 10, especially in the payment segment. Xiaomi is massive in India, coming in at number 1 for shipments according to at least one tracking firm. For one, there's deeper integration with the Paytm app. Now scanning a Paytm code with the camera app's QR code reader will launch the Paytm app to finish the payment process automatically. Then there's the addition of a local services page to the browser app filled with services for Indian users. These are progressive web apps, so they should behave more like an app than a mobile website, and absolutely not requiring installation of apps from the Play Store. And finally, we also see some neat app linking functionalities in Xiaomi's SMS app. For example, the SMS app will prompt you to open the Flipkart app if you received your Flipkart order details in a text. It is certainly paving the path for more payment options and countries like Google Pay and the Western world. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.